Hi everyone, it's Ben from SalesSPACE, back with another weekly tech tip. Okay, so today we're going to talk about views in Zoho CRM, and I'll show you how you can create your own view from scratch. Okay, so I've logged into Zoho CRM, and I'm in the leads module at the moment. So on the left hand side you'll see all leads here. So this drop down is actually the views drop down. So if we open it up, this shows us all the views that are currently in our system for the leads section. So a lot of these are default, that they come with Zoho already. So you can still edit them and rename them if you wish. But today we want to create our own custom view. So if we click on New Custom View at the bottom. Okay, so firstly we need to give our view a name. So we want to make it nice and descriptive. So I'm going to create a view which is a call list, today's call list. And then I've got a set of criteria. So these are the drop down here is the fields that are on a lead. So firstly I want to specify leads have a mobile number. If they don't have a mobile number, obviously I can't call them, might have to email them. And the next criteria I'll add by clicking the plus icon here is setting the created time, making sure they were created today. So I only want to call leads that came in today and they have a mobile number. So you can see here my criteria now is 1 and 2. So that means both conditions must be true, and they'll show up in our view here. And then down here we have the columns which we want to display in the view. So I've got first name, last name, company and email. Also need their mobile number. In their created day, just to make sure they were created today, we can see that. And let's use our lead source as well, so we can see where they've come from. That might be good to see while we're calling them. And then we have some sharing options. So if it's only me, then I've just set to only me. But obviously if I have colleagues that might need this view, I'll set it to everyone, and it will appear in their view drop down as well. So we'll save that, and then it runs the view. So you can see now it's called today's call list, and I can see the 2 leads there. So I can then go back and click the edit button if I wanted to, if I needed to change that again, and I can also rename it. But that's how we create a simple view. It's really useful, and you can do that across all of the different modules in Zoho CRM and actually across most of the Zoho applications. Okay, thanks for your time.